Hi, let's recap this week. We have explored failure and perseverance. We've seen that failing an exam is not the same as failing at mathematics. We've considered how joy can sustain perseverance, and why not knowing can be a gift, and how mathematical struggle can resemble climbing a mountain. We've also seen that 2,000 years of failing to prove the parallel postulate opened the door to new geometries. And we've seen how an error in Andrew Wild's proof became part of one of mathematics' greatest stories. All these stories have a common idea. The people were willing to work on questions where the answer was not easily seen. Now, this seems obvious, but it does run against much of what we learn in school. In school, we're often given problems that someone else has already solved. We already know the method. The answer is in the back of the book, and our job is to just reproduce it. And if we can't, we conclude we are not good at math. But mathematicians work differently. They look for questions difficult enough that they do not know what to do next. They expect false starts. They make conjectures that turn out to be wrong. They follow promising ideas that lead nowhere. Their unsuccessful attempts are not evidence that they cannot do mathematics. They are evidence that they are doing mathematics. So never confuse an unsuccessful result with an unsuccessful person. A test score may describe your performance on a particular set of questions on a particular day, but it cannot measure your curiosity, your creativity, your potential, or your capacity to understand. Yes, doing math is difficult, and that is part of its beauty. The most interesting problems rarely surrender their secrets immediately. They ask us to experiment, to become confused, and to reconsider our assumptions, and then to try again. So, I want to encourage you to find a question that awakens your curiosity. It does not need to be famous. It only needs to matter to you. So pursue it with your best effort. Give yourself permission to move slowly. Let every false start teach you something. And when you are stuck, remember, being stuck is not the end of the journey. It may be the exact place where deeper understanding begins. I have seen this over and over again in my life. Perseverance is not simply refusing to quit. It is learning to see each failure as part of the search. So, what we'll learn this week is the greatest failure is not arriving at the wrong answer, but it's allowing the fear of being wrong to keep us from exploring at all.